Louder again.
The title is SpongeBob Bad Luck. I just episode Bad Luck.
Bad
Bad
luck.
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 Louder. Bad
Louder,
luck.
louder.
Bad luck.
Okay. Now start as well. Hold it.
So on the morning, SpongeBob wake up for prepare to work,
Okay. Then louder again. Clear.
and he go down.
With S. He
Goes
goes.
down.
He goes down to take the lucky tie.
Then
On the way to place his work, everything's full.
okay.
But what is happening?
But doesn't hit.
But
Doesn't hit SpongeBob.
it doesn't hit SpongeBob.
Okay. Then
And on the way,
yes.
he also met some person like this woman,
Okay. And then
and
on the way.
on the way, he not walking,
Okay.
but he like play water in the beach.
Okay. Then
At Krabby Patty, there is some.
there are
There are some customer
Mhm.
in Krabby Patty,
Okay. Then
and they say the Krabby Patty is delicious.
okay.
And after him eat Krabby Patty, he goes home and put the lucky tie in the table.
Okay.
On the morning, he lost his lucky tie.
Lucky.
Lucky tie,
Okay. Then
and that he already look for in his house,
okay. And then
but there is no.
but there is no.
There is no.
Okay. Then
And on the way, SpongeBob get horrible day because everything hit
hits him.
him.
Oh, okay. Then
Then
forget story. Okay. Why do you choose this story?
because I think SpongeBob is funny.
SpongeBob is funny. Okay. Now let's go and go to the video. Up to you. DIY or posting counter. Choose one.
DIY.
Okay. Go. Start.
One day,
Louder. One day.
Helen are sitting.
Helen are sitting. How many is Ellen?
Helen is sitting in her room.
Okay.
She
Then
feels dissatisfied with her room because she want to
S. She wants.
to renovate her room.
okay. Then
So her friends come to give the suggestion. So the fifth suggestion is suggest to put to move the bed under the window,
okay.
and Matt suggests to put the hi-fi in the drawer. Then David Helen to move the chair in the corner. But Jean suggests is to paint the room. So they agree to Jean suggests, but Helen can't clean her room because she is busy and she also have a lunch appointment with her friend.
Mhm.
So she left it to her friend
Okay.
and they go to the our store. But on the way they are lost. So they ask the pedestrian, and pedestrian say to David, uh, the our store is next to the supermarket,
Mhm.
and on the supermarket a man takes black color, but but Jane
Mhm.
Jane Jane say it is not suitable with an Helen's room.
Okay.
After that, Jane takes blue color, but David say the blue color is expensive. So Jane takes the orange color because they think the orange color is good and gorgeous. And at the home, they starting painting. And after finish, they take a rest. And after that, Helen's come. But before he go to her room,
She goes.
She
he
goes.
goes to her room.
Mhm.
She say, "My t-shirt is horrible, and the color is orange." And after that, she opened her room and she screamed because the color is same like my t-shirt.
Okay, and then
Then
done.
I
Okay.
think that's only two.
Okay. Now from the story, what part do you like?
And when they in DIY store,
Okay. Why?
because it is interesting what color they choose.
Okay. If you are done, what color do you want to choose?
Blue,
Why?
because it is gorgeous.
It's gorgeous. Okay.
Yeah.
Why not orange?
Because I don't like orange.
What do you think about orange?
Like
Horrible.
like horrible, and it is not suitable.
Suitable. Okay. Why doesn't Helen help the friend to paint her own room?
Because Helen is busy.
If you are Helen, which one do you prefer? Help your friend or lunch appointment?
Have my friend,
Why?
because I want to have my friend because
That is your
no,
why?
because the color is horrible.
Oh, so you want to choose the color.
Yes.
Okay, so why do you think that they can get the wrong color? Why? You already said that because
Because it is
no, because Helen doesn't
doesn't say
the color.
color.
The color. So moral lesson was that